வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன். வணக்கம் நண்பா, எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கிறீங்க? அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும்.
Assalamu alaikum viewers.
வணக்கம்.
Assalamu alaikum. Vanakkam guys, vanakkam.
வணக்கம்.
How are you
நண்பா.
guys doing?
I hope எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருப்பாங்க அப்படி என்று.
Really good to see them again, huh?
Good to see you.
Pleasure. It's always to see you guys.
Pleasure. And how are you, man? What's your new?
All good, man. By the grace of God, everything happening. How is your story? How are you feeling?
I feel good always, man.
Always good?
I'm always good. I feel everything. I'm positive.
Ah.
I'm always positive.
I always wanted to ask you one question, man.
What do you want to ask?
Let me just allow me the opportunity to ask you today.
Okay, tell me. From them you talk and ask.
Yeah, guys. I always wanted to ask him because it has been just a couple of weeks now since we know each other, and since couple of weeks I'm training you. All right, but what about your history, your life altogether? Where is this positivity, this energy, this passion for fitness? When did it come up? Please tell the viewers.
What do you think for the life? What do you think for that? I didn't get that properly.
I mean, where is this passion came up? When did you develop this passion for fitness? You know, fitness passion. When did it all started? Please tell our viewers here.
Fitness passion வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ராஜா, fitness passion வந்து is part of my life.
Wow.
Okay, I think நான் வந்து என்னுடைய 17 yearsல 16 yearsல இருந்து fitness போயிட்டு.
All right, so 16 years you're doing this.
Yeah.
Wow.
In my age 16 years, I started my gym.
Okay. Means when you were 16 years old, okay?
When I was
okay.
I was 16 years old. From
that time you started?
Yeah, from there, daily gym போவோம், friends ஓட போவோம்.
Okay.
I love sports. I love to play cricket footballs, and I like some fitness. And then, you know, basically when I go there, I watch everyone body is looking good because I didn't think at that one, but I want to be myself fit. I want
that
to be
is
myself
important.
confident. So if fit mean if we normally gym போனோம்னு வைங்களே automatically ஒரு fit இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு feel வந்து வரும்.
Okay.
That feel is very
important. Feel is very important.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm continuing. Sometime I didn't go to gym the proper way because I'm okay. I'm good fit. Sometime you know, for in the school life, college life, like I'm traveling and my sometimes. Then out of properly and later, and normally I am every day I'm going to the gym.
Going to the gym. So you developed this passion from 16 when you were 16 years old.
When I was in 16 to
wow.
Yeah. At the same time, நான் gym போகும்போது after gym, you know, normally as a normal person, if I didn't go to gym in example is 1 month.
Correct.
Okay, for example, I feel after gym. Okay, if I go to gym, I feel very confident. I feel நான் இந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை பேசும்போது வந்து மைண்ட் வந்து எனக்கு perfect.
That's very nice because see, why I brought up this question, why I always wanted to ask him this question is like every time I give you a challenge in the gym, you do it.
Yeah, I love to do it.
And guys, you must have seen all our transformation days, right? Right, since day 1 to day 14. Whatever challenge I give him, he does it. He doesn't say no, he never quits. That's the specialty about him. That's the reason why I asked you, means why, how this? Because many of my clients, they will quit, you know, because they mostly quit whenever I give them the challenge. But you're different. He's exceptional, guys. So that's what really inspires me, you know, and that's what really motivates me to train you, you know. In fact, that really pushes my limits, guys. So I feel good and I feel proud to train you, man.
No,
honestly.
Because of everyone thinking in the world, they want to improve their life. They want to improve the lifestyle. Actually, I am thinking, என்னோட thinkingல வந்து first thinking வந்து is my world best and maximum of that higher property value is my body only.
Beautiful.
Yes, this is my property.
That's priority. Yes.
So this is my property. So
great.
When example, if someone car is scratched, you know how much they feel got angry. So same thing.
Wow.
Why I want to lose my body language? I want
exactly.
to build my body.
Build yourself. Yes.
Build
your personality.
My personality.
It's very well said, guys. Always make yourself your first priority. Your physique, your body, your health.
That's my
your nutrition, everything, right?
So I want to maintain my body. I want to look good. If I look good and if I fit, I can talk well. I can think well. I can think well. and I can do maximum thing if I feed. No.
Exactly.
So, I have the confidence. I have the more confidence.
Because that's what fitness does to you. You know, it develops
whenever
self-confidence inside you.
Whenever we are doing the exercise, whenever we exercise பண்ணும்போது automatically brain ல வந்து ஒரு அமிலம் சுரக்கும்.
Yes, it stimulates your brain.
Yeah.
It stimulates.
So it means it's boost your brain and boost your body activities, boost your cells and everything. So இதுதான் நமக்கு தேவை இல்லையா? இதுதான் important.
So yeah, that was the thing. So you really enjoy your fitness. So that's what I was saying. You know, telling the viewers that make fitness your priority, guys, because it really helps you.
Yeah, அதெல்லாம் சொல்றேன். ஸோ whenever நம்ம எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணும்போது அமிலம் வந்து அப்படியே சுரக்கும். நமக்கு அமிலம் சுரக்கும் போது என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது அது ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலாக ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் பாடியில் ஃபிட் இதே மாதிரி விஷயம் எல்லாம் வந்து நமக்கு வரும்போது ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் வந்து இஃப் ஐ ஆம் டூயிங் ஒன் திங் இன் மை டே ஐ கேன் டூ ஃபார் five things or different things I can do it. No,
because your energy level
is go. If you are the fit now, automatically confidence will come. When the confidence will come, you are on the right track.
Exactly. Confidence is everything, right?
Yeah, and then the next question, anything?
Yeah.
Anything?
What else, man? What else?
And what do you want then?
Yeah, no, he's really gem of a person. Yeah, you know, very humble nature, very down to earth. And this kind of people I really love to work with, to be very honest with you guys.
Thank you.
And so that's another thing I would like to say. Please be humble and please be grounded, guys.
Yes.
This is very important in life. With
our life
fitness, this is
next
something very important.
Very
This
important.
will take you a long way ahead in your life. Be humble, be grounded. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And then second thing, choose the food. So normally maximum in my grandma is always with me in my small age.
Okay.
So she is the one only maximum is I grew up my life.
So the health food came from
grandma. So so my grandma only they give the good food and she is the one who selected the good food and how is then. So the same thing.
Right. He's like very, what do you call it, diet conscious, guys. He's very diet conscious. He measures everything. He's rice, he's vegetables, and that's a really good thing, you know, because when you get into the fitness, you got to be very serious about your diet as well. So this is something I really appreciate about him.
But normally if I choose if I go to the out of country also, I'm a very foodie. I love to enjoy the food, but same time I maintain the healthy food always.
Correct.
Always my
good portions
and good thing and maximum. I don't mind to spend money to food.
Exactly.
Why we earn money?
Absolutely. Yes, for ourselves.
Yes.
Good health.
Good health first.
Yeah.
So food is very first priority for
Exactly.
everyone.
The first question which I asked him was, "What's your diet?" when I saw his diet, that he measures everything, he eats in proportion. That's what I wanted him to do. So he was already doing that. So that really made our things very easy.
That's why I normally eat for Kerala brown rice. So normally in the lockdown time only. I think more than 7 months, 9 months only. I think more than 9 months now. 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. In this time only, I didn't do the proper exercise.
That's when you just
when I was started gym and now this 9 months only I didn't do the proper exercise, but I'm doing normal thing. That's why I'm
lockdown. Many people have really suffered, to be very honest, because many of my clients
in the lockdown,
lockdown
everyone is struggling that. But in the lockdown. I feel the lockdown I think positive.
Correct.
Because I'm positive. Whatever any bad thing will come, I make that things is positive. Okay, lockdown.
Correct.
Everyone doesn't go think outside.
No, but what really happens, Suman, you're positive, but the other people's they might find it very difficult. You know, in this lockdown. So what would you suggest them?
Okay, but I want to suggest them.
Like
situation like that. Example, the lockdown. லாக்டவுன் வந்துச்சுன்னு வைங்களேன் ரைட் லாக்டவுனில் எல்லாம் இருக்கிறோம் இதே மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன் வேறு சுச்சுவேஷன்கள் வந்தாலும் அதாவது சுச்சுவேஷன் ஆல்சோ எந்த மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன் வந்தாலும் இது இப்படித்தான் இருக்கும் இந்த விஷயம் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது அப்படி என்னும்போது அந்த டைமுக்கு நீ இன்னும் எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணுமோ அது மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கோ. I already said in the lockdown is 100 days is lockdown.
Correct.
If you hurt yourself, if you think too much, it mean the government or anything going to be changed? No. It mean think positive. Okay, this is situation. Accept the facts. In this thing, what you can do.
You can do the best.
You can do the best. Correct. What you want, take a rest. spend with the family, or do you want to create something? Because in thing I create many things.
Make it positive, right? Think
Make it positive.
and spend more time with your family.
Yes,
and get to know each other.
See,
right?
My Perfect Rascal movie, before the lockdown is finished.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, it was wrapped up before.
The lockdown is finished. But till the time, I didn't think that. I just worry about, okay, 10 days, okay, it will go on. Then I don't mind it. Keep it the part. I will think, okay, this is only in my movie. I have many things in my future. I think about the future. Future, what I want it.
Exactly.
I think that I created many things for the next.
That's important, guys. When you have time, decide,
plan it. What do
set
you
your
want?
goals? Don't think that, oh my God, this is lockdown. We don't have nothing to do.
Nothing to do.
Got so much. You have brains.
Example. Okay. Now is outside of too much of raining. 10 days is raining. If you say for the God will never going to stop the raining.
Exactly.
It means 10 days raining. So you are everyone inside the home. So what you can do inside the home?
Absolutely. Yeah,
That's all.
So many things, man.
Many things are there. That's all.
Things.
It's mean lockdown 100 days to 5 months, 6 months.
Correct,
Okay, everyone is difficult. But I say, if you think that difficulties multiply for you, it's mean tension, depression, health problem. It will come now.
Take it easy, guys.
Very easy.
Life is blessing, so enjoy this blessing and just be positive. That's the only thing. Nothing else, guys. Because the more negative you think, the more stress comes. The more stress comes, you're ruining your own health. It's as simple as that. So just chill out and relax. That's about it, right?
That's the thing. At the same time, my dear, if sometime some money problem வரும்போது அதை நீங்கள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், அதை வந்து பெருசாக வந்து அந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை வந்து don't think problem is big.
Yeah.
Think yourself is, I can handle everything.
Absolutely.
If whatever the problem will come,
100%,
you think this is nothing to me, I can handle everything. Think the brain like that. If you think like that, you will solve the problem.
Exactly.
I did maximum thing. I got many things in my life.
I got it, man.
Many haters and many people is doing in many ways of against me.
Sure, man. Everybody is fighting the battles there.
But it's mean.
Nothing.
I think only one. நான் ஒன்று மட்டும்தான் திங்க் பண்ணுவேன். இது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. Brain I have. I know the way. Everything is maths. So play like a chess game. That's all.
Exactly.
Whatever the problem will come, play like a chess game.
Exactly.
How you can
said,
go.
Man, well said. God has gifted us with so much of energy and power and potential.
You know. Any problem is coming, they have the problem have the solution.
100%.
You are the person only. Search the solution is where.
Search the solution.
It means first thing, be confident in yourself and think I can do it everything. I can do.
That's it. That's all.
என்னால் எது வேணாலும் எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தாலும் என்னால் ஹேண்டில் பண்ண முடியும். அதை எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணலாம், என்ன மாதிரி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணலாங்கிறது தில்ல இறங்கி பண்ணணும். Confidently.
Yes.
No problem will solve.
Just feel your heart.
That's all. No one can touch you easily.
Right? That's how life is. Just feel it through your heart, express your feelings, and smile. That's it. That's a good way to fitness and healthy life, guys. Keep smiling often.
Keep smiling. Love you guys. And tomorrow I am going to talk about maybe after the gym. I don't know. Today we little bit late. So tomorrow we are going to, today is I think 18th day. நண்பா again, okay நண்பா, உங்களுக்கு நம்ம வீடியோஸ் எல்லாமே பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம விஷயங்களை நம்ம சேனலை வந்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் உங்கள்கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணணும்னு நான் ஆசைப்பட்றேன். Tomorrow I want to talk with you how to save your life when you got a serious problem.
Yeah, that's very important, guys.
Okay, நான் வந்து அந்த விஷயம் நாளைக்கு சொல்லி தர போகிறோம். உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய ஆபத்து ஒன்று வரும்போது, இல்லை ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன்று வரும்போது எப்படி உங்கள் லைஃப்பை நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கொள்ள முடியும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சதை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல போகிறேன். நான் எப்படி வந்து என்ன காப்பாற்றிக்கிட்டேன், எப்படியான விஷயங்கள் வந்து எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச நாலேஜை உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறேன். இது கண்டிப்பாக உங்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் நான் நம்புகிறேன். I love you guys. Please subscribe our channel and share your friends. And what do you want to do? And see you again and love you.
Yes, guys. See you on the other side. Take care of yourself.
Take care.
Peace.